Custom designed and recently built in 2008, this breathtaking Nantucket shingle-style home on nearly an acre of land features superior construction, exceptional architecture, state-of-the-art mechanical systems, and luxurious living spaces. Step into the dramatic two-story foyer with a barrel-vaulted ceiling and a bright study and formal dining room that sit off of it. Entertain guests in the spacious living room with a coffered ceiling, gas fireplace, and an attached pub room that includes a granite-topped bar. The expansive gourmet kitchen is a cook's dream, featuring custom cabinetry, granite countertops, a large center island, high-end appliances, and an adjoining grilling room. A light-filled dining area sits off of the kitchen, with a carved wall of oversized windows and dramatic octagonal peaked roof. Step through French doors in the living room or kitchen and onto the spacious backyard oasis designed for entertaining. Enjoy alfresco dining on the gorgeous patio or multi-tiered terraces surrounded by wonderful plantings. You can also relax in the heated in-ground saltwater pool and spa, or spend nights around the outdoor stone fireplace and fire pit. Up the wide stairs, the luxurious master bedroom boasts large double walk-in closets and an adjoining sun-filled sitting room with gas fireplace and cathedral ceiling. The spa-like master bathroom enjoys radiant heat, granite countertops, an oversized walk-in shower, and a jetted tub. Down the hall is walkout access to a balcony with a great view of the grounds. Two more spacious bedrooms share a full bath, while a large fourth bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, making it ideal for guests. Another versatile room can be made into a bedroom, playroom, or upstairs family room. Located in the desirable Harbors Association neighborhood of Barrington, this home is just a short stroll to the water, marina, and a shared dock. A few minutes away, the town center offers locally owned shops and restaurants. The local school system is nationally recognized and has received multiple awards. Barrington offers great bayside amenities like the Rhode Island Country Club and Barrington Yacht Club, and is only 20 minutes away from downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Ted Friedman at area code 401-864-0269.